Hi, my name is Alicia. I am doing my presentation on the types of minerals and their uses. Metallic minerals, unlike non-metallic, are shiny. They are more hard to break. They have a high density. They come from metamorphic rocks, and they are very good conductors of electricity. And they can be melted to form other minerals, and they are shiny. They include the hematite mineral, manganese, magnetite, the pyrite, the bauxite, copper, iron, aluminum, gold, and tin, which we are more familiar with. Hematite is used to extract iron. Iron is used to transport oxygen in our blood. It is also used in auto parts and in medicine. Gold is used in jewelry. It is also used as a currency and in dentistry-like fillings. Copper is used to conduct heat and electricity mostly. It is also used in different types of machinery and is now used in medical equipment because it is antimicrobial. And non-metallic minerals are they're more dull minerals. They are easily breakable, but they cannot be melted. They come from sedimentary rocks, and they are not very good at conducting heat or electricity. They include diamonds, gypsum, quartz, coal, sulfur, dolomite, potash, and granite. Dolomite is similar to calcite, just without the manganese, and it is used in concrete and asphalt in construction, and it is used as an acid neutralizer, and it is used in livestock feed and produces glass, bricks, and ceramic. I feel like it has the most uses out of the minerals in my presentation. Sulfur, it is used as a sulfuric acid. It has a very bright color compared to all the rest. It is used in insecticides, in soaps, in paint, and in dye. It is used in pharmaceuticals and in gunpowder. Quartz is the most abundant mineral. It is used in glass making, as an abrasive, in jewelry making, and just as like a decorative piece in your home. Gypsum, it is used in cement and plaster. It is also used in soil conditioning and also as a decoration. Diamonds, it is the hardest and rarest mineral. The gem quality diamond is more of a perfect mineral, and an industrial diamond is more used as an industrial cutter versus the gem quality used as jewelry. And my works. Thank you.